tonight here at home, we are taking a closer look at questions about the conduct of Isanti Mayor Luke Merrill.
The video that you're seeing is a brief clip from an explicit video the mayor posted on social media in 2020. We've edited it to show only the mayor to protect the privacy of a woman involved. In
a police complaint, she alleges Merrill recorded a video without her permission and posted it online. Now, this happened before he took office. Well, now the mayor's communications with his own police chief about what happened is under scrutiny. Merrill is running for re-election and faces 3 challengers in the August primary.
Reporter Rich Reeve is here with what he uncovered after trying several times to speak with the mayor. Rich.
Yeah, Lindsay, the mayor of Isanti was never charged with a crime because the statute of limitations had passed. But police did investigate this as a case of explicit content shared without the person's knowledge or consent. The experts we talked to say the records we obtained showed the mayor tried to influence that investigation. From confrontational city council meetings.
The city mayor thinks that it's okay to reach out to the chief of police about a personal matter.
To interviews with private citizens.
The most concerning issue with this case is the total lack of accountability from the mayor.
And law enforcement. Is this unethical in your mind, these questions?
In my mind, it is unethical.
Isanti Mayor Luke Merrill says he's done nothing wrong, but there are concerns about his actions after the filing of this police report.
I want to believe wholeheartedly that the truth will prevail.
That's Danae Donovan. In November 2025, she filed this complaint with the Isanti Police Department, claiming in 2020 that Merrill, before he was mayor, recorded an explicit video of her without her permission and posted it on social media.
I said, you know, that better not, you better not have been recording that. He said, no, I wasn't, trust me, I wasn't.
According to this email, prosecutors declined any charges because the statute of limitations had expired. But the story doesn't end there. This past May, Merrill sent these text messages to Isanti Police Chief Travis Myers about a factual inaccuracy in the report. The chief responded there was not a factual inaccuracy and asked if the mayor was requesting to get the report changed. The mayor appeared to back down, but asked if he could add his own statement to the report. What was your takeaway after seeing those texts between the mayor and the police chief?
The first thing that jumped out at me was the fact that this was completely inappropriate underlying behavior.
David Schultz is a political science and legal studies professor at Hamline University.
The mayor is being accused of something, and he's trying to influence the investigation into his behavior. That is a different situation than talking to other department heads about matters of policy. This is about trying to affect potentially a criminal investigation.
As far as we know, the report was not changed. After learning about the mayor's involvement, Isanti County Sheriff Wayne Cyberlick launched his own investigation.
I did speak with the police chief, who told me that he too felt that the reason the messages were sent to him is because he was being persuaded to change reports.
Cyberlick says the chief felt he was being put into an uncomfortable position. He and the county prosecutor decided it was not a crime, but unethical.
Even if these messages, if you read them, it may seem like he's trying to persuade the chief to do something. But how do you prove that? How do you prove it if he didn't physically say, this is what I want you to do?
The mayor declined our multiple requests for an on-camera interview. But in an email, he told us it is city practice for city council members or the mayor to reach out directly to department heads or the city administrator, not the subordinate officer. Reaching out to the subordinate city employees creates a workplace conflict. To the city administrator about protocols regarding department heads communicating with subordinates. The administrator told us to submit a data request, so we're working to get that information. Sarah Cyberlick says he's awaiting the mayor's response to his report, Kevin.
Okay, Rich Reeve, thank you so much.